Sorry, I got cut off. I could tend to talk a lot. So basically, my reflection is that as a future administrator, I need to become aware of the three levels of government and how they affect public education. I have found that federal government is the big umbrella, and it's mostly due to the funding of the overall governmental programs, such as No Child Left Behind or Common Core standard initiatives. The state government provides more direction and education on what they want to see to provide funding to, but it specifically state state what they specifically state what they want and need to see. The local government puts everything into play as far as budget, curriculum, and actual teachers to see the school dream in action. And then after completing this assignment, I found that it's important to stay up to date on federal, state, and local trends to help with the decision making for my future school. I know that my decision making is going to be guided by the facts that will benefit my students and staff, as well as meeting guidelines from federal, state, and local government. This is the end. Thanks. Let me know if you have any questions, and then here are my references. Have a good day.